What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture on Android and iPhone in 2026. The process is super easy and only takes a minute. Start by opening WhatsApp on your smartphone. Once the app opens, make sure you are on the main chat screen. On Android, tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner and select Settings. If you are using an iPhone, simply tap the Settings tab located at the bottom right side of the screen. At the top of the settings page, you'll see your name and current profile picture. Tap on your profile photo to open your account details. Next, press the small camera or edit icon that appears on the profile image. Now choose how you want to set your new picture. Camera. Instantly take a brand new photo using your phone camera. Gallery or photos. Select an existing image stored on your device. Avatar. Use your customized WhatsApp avatar for a modern profile look. After choosing your photo, WhatsApp will allow you to crop and adjust the image. Move the picture, zoom in or out, and make sure it fits perfectly inside the circular frame. When you're happy with the result, tap Done, Save, or Choose to apply the changes. That's it. Your new WhatsApp profile picture will update instantly and become visible to your contacts based on your privacy settings.